It's here. It's finally freaking here. Holy God. I've waited months for this. Like, I pre-ordered this back in August, just for context. So I've been waiting since then. So the Audeze Penrose finally freaking here. And maybe wondering, how the hell am I recording this on a bed? Don't ask questions. Alright, so now it's giving us directions of what I can do in this little thin little box. We got aux, we got volume controls, chat audio. I don't think that works on PlayStation. That's why I mainly bought this for. Stop, focus, damn it. Bluetooth pairing. Yes, we can Bluetooth pair. That's why mainly I bought this. I was going to get an Arctis, but that kept going out of stock. The one I wanted, the Arctis Pro Wireless. I'm all about wireless headsets, so having to get Bluetooth and USB at the same time is just amazing. Look at that. This is my first time ever buying an Audeze product. So can't wait to see. The camera's blurry. Alright. We got this stuff that also tells us what to do. Got this manual. But here it is. The thing I've been waiting months on end for. The Audeze Penrose. It's basically the Mobius, but cheaper. This is what I've been told. Ooh. Cold to the touch. It leaves fingerprints, but then it slowly. Just give me a moment. Let me just put this back down. All right, so here it is. Ooh, they click in place and stuff. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, the earmuffs feel a bit cheap compared to my Nari Ultimate, but the design looks nice. Like, I wonder how it adjusts. Oh, it's a click. I like the clicking. It's plastic though. That's my only worry as of right now. Last time I had something like this was like my Beats Studio wireless. That was like $400 back then. But I'm gonna try it on. Usually my usual 3 clicks to put it on. And yeah, it's a lot more noise isolating. I hear more of my voice on the left side than I do my right side. I don't know if that's just a thing, but yeah, this is the USB. It looks so much bigger online than it does in person, so I'm happy about that. Slim. I love the Audeze logo on it. So let's keep going with the headset on. What about the fit? Feels nice, comfy on my head. It's light, much lighter than my Nari. So that's a good thing. I love how stiff the tourney is. But I also do like how loose the Nari was as well. But yeah, I'm definitely can see how I can use this for daily use. But yeah, I love it. I love the design. It's like it looks like a gaming headset, but at the same time it looks like a normal everyday headset, and I can love that. What's different about these, why I went for these instead of this normal headset, they don't use they use planar magnetic drivers instead of the usual traditional drivers that the Nari has as well. It filters and it filters out all the stuff you don't want to hear and just makes it nice, clean, crisp sound. I don't know how to properly describe it without looking at the website, so this is probably just the best description you're gonna get out of me. But put this around my neck. It's nice, you know. Doesn't feel too bulky. I can look my head over. I have a big head, big ears, and I can say that fits pretty comfortably. Long term, I'm not sure about that yet, but let's bring out the accessories. Ooh, that's a nice mic. That is a nice mic. Why doesn't it have 3 lines though? I thought it would have 3 lines and stuff. So, ain't that how usually mics activate and some? But hey, you know. It has a little puff thing to filter out breathing. That's what I like it a lot. And it's freaking metal. This is actual metal. Take this off. So take this off first. But broadcast quality microphone technology, I can definitely say that without doubt. This is the new mic. This is the new mic that they're using for the Penrose. So another reason I opted for the Penrose instead of the Mobius. Like I said, much lighter. see what else is in here. USB wire, Type-C. That's what we're talking about. Ooh, it comes with a Type-C to Type-C. I don't have a Type-C to Type-C plug, but it's ready for PS5. And I'm glad that frees up a USB slot for, you know, the freaking headset. You know, for like the USB. Where's it? I don't want to lose anything. But yeah, that's here. Got the wire. I don't know if that's going to fit on my phone. I can't try it now. I'll try it maybe after the video. But yeah, that's all that comes in the box. This clay desiccant, you know, freebies. But yeah, that's the unboxing. I'm probably gonna do another review of this. The moment I got my hands on it, the first thing I thought was, hey, the world needs to see this, because I'm hella excited to try this out. And I can't wait to see how it works on PS5 if I ever get my hands on it. So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is something entirely different from what I usually do, but I was so excited I had to record this. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Shaz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.